On this video I will show you how to add activities to a project. I have my project already opened, just right click, click add, and as you can see a new activity is added. By default the duration is 5 days and the start of the activity is the same as the start of the project. The second option to create an activity is to click that plus button on the right bar. A menu popped up and we can specify some information about that task. Activity ID, activity name, they are already okay. Select next. We can choose work breakdown structure under which that task is created. It's okay for now. Activity type, task dependent. Let's leave it. We can even assign resources here, but we'll skip it for now. We can change duration type, fixed duration and units, it's what we want. Then select next. We can add activity units and duration. It's also what we want now. We can assign relationships here, but we'll not do it now. Select next. More details, no thanks. Next, and congratulations, a new task is added. As you can see, this option is much more complicated than the first one. But there's a good news, there's a third option which is the fastest from all of them. Just press insert button on your keyboard and the new activity is added. Let's now make a simple schedule of the equipment which we want to deliver to the end client. We will name the first activity the contract signed. Then the second one is basic design. Next we have detailed design. I need a few more, so just press insert button on my keyboard. We can also copy and paste the task. Right click on the activity, click copy, and then paste. We have a menu where we can specify the information to be copied. We want all of them. Select OK, then also OK. And the activity is pasted. Materials purchase, materials delivered, manufacturing, and finally delivery to the client. As you can see, by default, all of the tasks has the same start date and the duration, so we should change it now. First of all, contract signed is actually not an activity, but this is a milestone, so point in a time. We can change it here, activity type, to the start milestone. Then automatically the duration of that milestone is set to 0 because the milestone has no duration. Then we have basic design, which we can specify for 20 days. Details design, 15 days. Material purchase, also 15 days. Material delivered, the same situation. This is the milestone, or this time finish milestone. The duration is automatically set to 0. And manufacturing, the longest one, 30 days. Delivery to the client, which is the last one. Also, this is a finish milestone, And now we have our duration. On the bottom of the screen, we have details bar. On the General tab, you can see the general information about the activity. Activity type, duration type, fixed duration at the end is what we want now. Person complete type, also okay. Activity calendar, primary resource, we'll set it later. Responsible manager, and WBS. And WBS is what we should adjust now. You may notice that some of the activities are within the same phase. And to say that, basic design and detailed design are within the designing phase, material purchase and materials delivery are the procurement phase, manufacturing and delivery to the client are within the phase of manufacturing and delivery. And this is what we call wave breakdown structure, and we'll create it now. On the left menu, select WBS. Right-click on the project name and click Add. I will rename it as the project milestones and create 3 more. Add, and add. This one is called designing phase. We have also procurement phase. And the last one, manufacturing and delivery. As you can see on the left, we have the hierarchy of those WBS, and we should adjust it so all of those 4 are at the same level. How to do it? We'll use the arrows on the right menu. Perfect, this is what we wanted, and we can go back to the activities. Select Activities option on the left menu bar. And now what happened? You can see here the WBS, but as you can see, all of the tasks are not assigned yet, so this is what we should do now. Contract signed milestone is a milestone which we want to have under Project Milestones WBS, so simply right-click, cut it, and paste it under Project Milestones. The same we'll do with the tasks. Basic design and detailed design. We can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl X and paste it under designing phase. Materials purchased and materials delivered, the same with them. We can cut them and paste under procurement phase. And finally, manufacturing and delivery to the client are under manufacturing and delivery WBS. Okay, perfect. For now, we have WBS for our project created, and we have created tasks and milestones.